There's a secretary bird. They eat snakes, and he just got one. He's eating that thing head first. That snake's got to be about 2 feet long. It's not very fat though. Oh, there he goes. Boy, that was tasty. Nothing like a nice fresh snake in your tummy, I guess. That is a secretary bird here in Masai Mara Game Reserve / National Park. And it looks like he's still on the prowl. He's looking for another one. He's looking for something. Today's 1/13/23. Like I say, I'm in Masai Mara. And there you go. Cool. I'm in D2 and doing the video. That looks like maybe an eland. Yeah, I think that's an eland out there. They're pretty big. And then it's over here. Yeah, I think that's another eland. Okay, that's enough for now, I guess. Yeah, I think that's an eland. You see the stripes on the back there. Okay. Time to go.